Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly review of the M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Balance on the account is $49,793.14. Let's look at this past week's performance. It was not good. So I hit $50,000 balance at some point this week, and then the market crashed a bit after the Fed announcement of increase in interest rate, and then came back a little. Anyway, not good. As you can see here, I had a loss of $529 or 1.05%. I know the loss is not real because I haven't sold, but it still doesn't feel good to see such a big decline. Okay, let's look and see who was responsible for this loss. SCHD was down really significantly, 2.19% or $573.11. So it seems like the culprit is SCHD. I do really still believe in this dividend ETF, so I'm not worried about it. Realty income was up 0.17% or $23.53. VGT was up 0.47% or $38.95. BTI was up $18.40 or down $18.40 or 0.78%. And let's just look at the deposits for the past week. There was just two deposits, one on May 1st in the amount of $67, then another deposit on the same day, May 1st, of $400. So I had one buy of $467. It all went to SCHD, and I was able to get 6.42 shares. And that was all the movement for this week. Some weeks I have more funds to put in and there's more deposits across multiple days, but it was just this one day. But still really happy that I was able to put something towards this account because it's going to go towards my future. And as we can see here, we have an upcoming deposit next week of $300, and it will all get deposited into SCHD. And that is the latest and greatest, just so that you can see the overall loss on the portfolio. As you can see here, net cash flow. So I put in $54,000 of my own money, but I'm down, $4,228 on the account. So doesn't look or feel good to see such a big loss. And I'll go to the holding so you can see out of the 4,200 who's responsible for what. So SCHD is about 1,600. Realty income is 843. VGT is 1,300, and VTI is $369. So not sure when I will ever be in the positive, but I'm trying to be optimistic that the market does bounce back eventually. I haven't lived through a period where I've made gains on the market, so I'm really just trusting others and the data showing that the market does overall trend up despite some major declines. And that is where I am for this week. I'll catch you next week. Bye.